Hey guys, what's up? CHK Ruhunage over here. Hope you're having a fantastic day today. So today I'm giving you guys a brand new video. So this is regarding my new headset. So I just recently broke my old headset, which was also a ASUS headset, Cerberus V2. So I just decided to buy a new one. This is ASUS-TUF Gaming H3 headphone, and so today I'm going to review and unbox it and share the experience with you guys. So without any delay, let's get into the video. I just took the packaging. This comes with the polythene packaging, so I'm just going to remove it. Now I'm checking my brand new headset out. Actually, I really like ASUS headset since compared to normal headset, the quality is very good. Like you can see it from the package itself, how they use these designs and those stuff. So actually this is a nice headset, and they have said that it is Discord certified and PSO support, and they have branded their TUF Gaming, in all of their TUF edition products. They use this color theme, black, gray, and design a nice box. And in the back they have given us some things regarding these headphones. And actually I'm surprised that the last headphone I bought, it had a bigger casing, and this thing, compared to that, it is really small. And without further delay, let's unbox it. So ASUS has sealed it with a tape. You can just see right over here. And so I'm just going to remove that tape. So I just removed it. So in this way, I'm just going to open it. So in this way, you can take my headset out. So here is my headset, the ASUS-TUF headset. So when we are going to remove it, we just need to unscrew these things, and then only we could take the headset out. And I'm surprised that the ASUS has used a lot of things to protect its products, so no customer complaints, and love that ASUS. So when it comes this side, it is really nice. I don't think you guys can see the shine of it and the materials they have used. And the drawback is that compared to my previous headset, the materials they have used, I could feel something like a cheap. But in the area somewhere here, they have done the branding, the design, it's beautiful. And the mic, so in my previous headset, I bought it for the same price 7 months ago. They gave me a removable mic, and as usual, they gave me this wire so that I could connect it to a computer with their channels. But I'm not happy with it, but the design really impressed me. So that takes out. So in here they have given us the user manual and the TUF Gaming book, another user manual, and they have given us a silica gel, and that's it there. put it and see. So guys, like when I wear it, it's like this. So like in the comfortable and those experience, like there's no difference. But like as I said before, like they have used cheap like some are not quality materials compared to my previous headset. Like it was actually same price, and but like when I wear it, like I couldn't tell the difference. Like I could feel this thing more comfortable and like holding my ears. So like I'm just now going to listen to some music and check the quality of it. So I will pick up the video there. So guys, like I check out my new headset, the ASUS one. So actually the sound quality was very good, and I just really need to mention this thing. Like I just bought it. I bought both of my headset from REWIEWS, and like compared to other websites such as Nanotech, like I don't want to say that REWIEWS is the best. But like when it comes to electronic stuff, I took my computer from there, headphones, like mouse, keyboards, monitors, all those things from REWIEWS. Like since they have really like comparatively very low prices compared to other websites and good quality, and that's it. So like if you guys need to check out like to buy new headphones, like please go check out the REWIEWS website as well, and they will sponsor this video, something like that. Like I just really need to tell it, like they have like given me, like I have bought many products from that website, and like they really like very with the very good quality, and like go check it out. And I hope this video like gets some 50 likes. Please like this video. If you aren't subscribed, please go subscribe. And until we meet in the next video or vlog, peace.